What's going on YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another video. And in today's video we will be embroidering the Incredibles logo. So as you can see on the screen, not too many colors, not going to be too long. Let me try to, there you go, give you a little more clearer picture or video, should I say. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. I just lifted this up, of course. You can see that I do not have any thread. So I have to put my white thread on here. That's going to be the first color. Then after that, we're going to go ahead to the yellow. So let's get that started now, guys. Stay tuned to the video. All right, so you know the routine. Everything is set up. We're about to go ahead and push that green button to get everything started. So once again, guys, before we get started, can you do me a huge favor and hit those notifications? Subscribe to the channel as well as thumbs up the video. It'll help me a lot get this video out to a wide variety of people, and you know, just share the video if you can. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Alrighty, so done with that portion. Didn't take too long, so we're going to go ahead and jump over to the yellow, and everything else is going to play out from there. So stay tuned, guys. So what I am about to do is go ahead and change the bobbin color. I had white in before just because I have a white background, but now I'm going to change it to the yellow. So I do have these colors over here. So of course you can see probably between to try to match that color right here, 206. So it might be this one. I got glue on my hand, sorry about that. But yeah, so probably to try to match that one, so I might use that one. Sorry, off the camera. So this will probably be the best color to use. So let's go ahead and get that in and get everything started. Looking good, coming out clean. Let me know how you feel about it down in the comment section below, guys. And also, I know we all older here, but I know people have kids and you watch movies with kids, right? So, or you just like kid movies. I'm gonna put it like that. But if you have a favorite character on The Incredibles, go ahead, put that down in the comment section below. I'm not saying you guys are kiddie or watch kiddie movies. I'm just saying if you got a favorite character, put it down there, you know? Go ahead. Alrighty, so that came out clean as I expected. It looks great. So let's go ahead and lift this up. Swipe under. Go ahead and cut it and pull the excess thread that we don't need. And go ahead and put in the next color, which is almost like a reddish brown. This color 339, like a reddish brown, I guess. So let's go ahead and put that in and get everything started. And we will be probably using the rest of this as well. I think I have a couple of more somewhere laying around, so I'm gonna find that, put this in, and get everything started. So we did have a change of plans because as I was looking around and I was about to use this color, like I said, it's 339. I did not have any extra, so this was the extra of the extra that I thought I had. So let me clear this up. Sorry about that. So I went ahead and just went with the second best color that I could find, which was like almost a tangerine orange, or not tangerine, but like a sunset orange. I can't remember the color of it, but so I went with that color instead. Hopefully it comes out good, because it's almost looking like it's yellow, but it's not yellow. So hopefully it come out good. We'll see at the end. Check the final result out. So definitely stay tuned to the video, guys. so off to the next section, which will be the last color, which is black. So we're going to knock that out soon. So definitely stay tuned, guys. And also do me another huge favor, which is hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. Love you guys. Stay tuned to the video. Not gonna lie, everything is coming out great so far. It looks good as far as the design and the outline of everything. I was going to actually go with felt for the black background. I just decided that just for video's sake, I'll go ahead and use the thread just to show you guys how it looks. And it's actually, so far, I think it's going to come out great. Not going to lie. So everything's looking like it's going to come out how it's supposed to come out. So that's a good thing. That's always a plus. So let's just stay tuned, and at the end of it, we'll see the final result. Coming out clean, looking good. Can't wait to show you guys the final result. And let me know down in the comment section if you got any other ideas as far as a logo, as far as you know, Disney names, Cartoon Networks, anything like that. And speaking of that, I do have a Cartoon Network design coming out, so definitely stay tuned to that video. Put everything down in the comment section below that you might want me to stitch out or you haven't seen before, so let me know, guys. All right, so everything is finished. Let's bag up, and I'm going to take it off the hoop and show you guys the final result, so stay tuned for that. So here we have it, the final result. Let me know what you guys think. Give you guys a quick close-up on that. If you want the slow-mo, I can see what I can do with the slow. All right, now I'm talking slow, so that's not good. So here we go, the final result. It looks great. Everything came out good. I think it came out great as far as the borders. It looks great. It looks good. So, like I said, I did make a change, which was the thread. So, I mean, it still looks great. So I'll have the picture right next to it so you guys can compare it if you want to. So, came out good. Looks good. Thread looks great. Density is perfect. Yeah. See if I can get it to stand up. Perfect. So yeah, it was a great video. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, this is your boy D. I'm Quality Custom Design, and as always, stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out.